In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch text in Canva if you want to make your text appear wider and take up more horizontal space in your design. Canva gives you a very simple way to do that. This is especially useful for titles, headers, thumbnails, posters, and social media graphics where you want text to stand out visually. I'll walk you through the process in a clear and easy way so you can follow along in just a few moments. To get started, go to Canva in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're on the main Canva homepage so you can begin creating your design. If you already have an account, you can sign in as usual. If not, you can still follow the general process once you're inside the editor. From there, click on Create. This will open Canva's design options and let you start a new project. You can choose any design type you want depending on what you're making, since the method for stretching text works the same way across most Canva designs. The important thing here is simply to open a blank canvas or an existing design where you want to edit your text. Next, click on Text. You'll usually find this in the side panel of the Canva editor. The text section gives you different options for adding headings, subheadings, and body text. If you already know the style you want, you can select the option that best fits your design. Don't worry too much about choosing the perfect style right away, because you can always adjust the font, size, and formatting afterward. Now, add a text box to your design. Once the text appears on the canvas, type in the word or phrase you want to stretch. This is the element you'll be working with. At this stage, it helps to keep the text selected so you can immediately see the resize controls around the box. Finally, click and drag the side handles of the text box. This is the key step for stretching the text area horizontally. As you drag the handles outward, the text box becomes wider, which changes how the text fits across the line. Depending on the font and layout, this can create the stretched visual effect you're looking for. If needed, drag slowly so you can control the look more precisely and stop when it feels balanced within your design. And that's it. That's how to stretch text in Canva. For the best result, take a moment to adjust the placement and make sure the text still looks clean and readable. Once you're happy with it, you can continue editing the rest of your design.